Hello, landlords and property managers. Are your utility billing and payment records thorough, organized, and ready for tax season? Whether utilities are included in rent or billed separately, keeping track of them accurately is essential for financial clarity, tenant transparency, and tax compliance. Disorganized records can cause tenant disputes, delayed payments, or even legal issues. In this video, we'll walk you through an effective system to document utility billing and payments across your rental properties. You'll discover what to track, how to structure your documentation, and the best tools to streamline this essential part of property management. Let's dive in. 1. Clarify the utility billing structure. For each property, before recording any data, you must understand the utility billing arrangement for your property. Are utilities bundled into rent, paid separately by tenants, or shared across units? Are there sub-meters? Or is there a single meter for the entire property? This foundational knowledge helps determine how billing should be tracked. If you're covering the utility costs and recovering them from tenants, it becomes even more important to document every rupee. An informed understanding also ensures clear communication with tenants, reducing confusion from the outset. 2. Maintain a utility billing ledger for every unit. Creating a dedicated utility ledger for each property or rental unit is the backbone of a well-managed system. The ledger should include key details such as the billing period, utility type, electricity, water, gas, internet, provider name, invoice amount, payment date, payment method, and any remarks. Whether you're using a spreadsheet or a property management platform, consistency is key. In multi-unit properties with shared utilities, this method becomes especially crucial to avoid inaccuracies. 3. Store all utility bills and payment receipts digitally. Make it a standard practice to save every utility bill and receipt digitally or physically. These records serve as important references in case of disputes, tax claims, or audits. Use cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox to organize bills by property and month. Scan paper documents, download provider-issued PDFs, and name files in a structured manner, such as 2025_March_electricity_unit3 a.pdf. This ensures swift retrieval when needed. 4. Log tenant utility reimbursements separately. If tenants reimburse you for utility charges, document those reimbursements independently from your utility payments. Use a dual entry system, one for the payment to the utility provider and another for the reimbursement received from the tenant. Include tenant names, amounts, dates, and payment methods. This keeps your records clear, avoids duplication, and simplifies rent reconciliation while maintaining accurate financial reporting. 5. Record utility allocation methods for multi-unit properties. In properties with shared meters, dividing utility charges fairly is vital. Whether you're allocating based on square footage, number of occupants, or equal distribution, record the methodology clearly. Reference this in the lease agreement and have tenants acknowledge it. Maintain monthly breakdowns showing the total utility bill and each unit share. This ensures fairness, transparency, and protection in case of billing disputes. Consider using RUBS, Ratio Utility Billing System, tools for automated allocation. 6. Reconcile utility charges with individual tenant ledgers. Ensure that utility bills are reflected correctly in each tenant's ledger. Each tenant account should contain a section dedicated to utility charges. Reconcile this monthly by confirming that the billed amounts match tenant payments and your utility ledger. Providing tenants with detailed utility statements alongside rent receipts helps foster trust and prevents future misunderstandings. 7. Adopt property management software for automation. As your property portfolio grows, manual tracking becomes cumbersome. Property management software like Buildium, Appfolio, or Rentec Direct can automate utility tracking. These platforms help you assign charges, generate invoices, accept payments, and update records in real time. Automation not only improves efficiency, but also enhances accuracy in your documentation process. 8. Monitor utility usage trends for better planning. Keeping a record of utility usage, not just billing amounts, helps detect unusual patterns or potential issues. Log metrics such as kilowatt hour for electricity or liters for water. A spike might indicate a leak, faulty equipment, or seasonal usage change. Monitoring trends enables informed decisions, helps in forecasting future utility expenses, and supports accurate budgeting for rent adjustments or operating costs. 9. Retain utility records for audits and tax filing. Utility expenses typically qualify as deductible operating expenses for rental properties. Keeping well-maintained records for at least 7 years is advisable for audit readiness and tax compliance. Store utility bills, payment confirmations, and tenant reimbursement logs in an organized digital format. Back up your files using secure secondary cloud services or external drives to ensure nothing is lost. 10. Maintain open communication with tenants about utilities. Transparent communication about utility charges builds trust and reduces disputes. Outline utility policies in the lease agreement and provide actual utility bills when applicable. Whenever tenants are billed, share a detailed breakdown and keep a record of that interaction, whether done via email, tenant portals, or hard copies. These records reinforce professionalism and accountability in your rental management approach. Bonus tip: partner with SANGAU for expert utility and financial management. At SANGAU, we understand that effective utility documentation isn't just about billing, it's about peace of mind. Our comprehensive property management services in Bengaluru include detailed tracking of utility bills, tenant reimbursements, and financial records, ensuring full transparency and compliance. With our systems in place, you can rest assured that every charge is accounted for, stored securely, and easy to access during audits, tax filing, or tenant communication. If this video helped you understand the importance of documenting utility billing and payments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the SANGAU channel. Stay tuned for more property management tips that help you manage your rentals professionally and efficiently. Have a question or need help with utility tracking? Reach out to us today. We're here to support you every step of the way.